What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, this beautiful wide body 180Sx. I love these cars. Let's check it out. So this is Garrett's Rocketbunny 180Sx. He just got it from mainland. Where'd it come from?
Tokyo.
From Tokyo, straight from Tokyo. So he got a really good deal on it. Like he said he was looking for two things: a clean dash and a stock motor, and he got both of this. He said the Rocketbunny kit was actually just a plus that he wasn't initially looking for, but obviously it's freaking awesome.
God is good.
Walk around this thing, give it a nice little view so you guys can enjoy it. So I actually tried to park right over here and do a cinematic, but the security guard said no, he doesn't like cool cars. So we had to do it in the parking lot. So, what wheels are these? It looks like a stock car, like a NASCAR inspired wheel.
Yeah, man.
I actually think that it looks kind of cool on them, actually.
Yeah, you know, I was thinking about changing up the wheels, but actually at the end of the day, I really like the way they look on the car.
Yeah, it's got a real raw look to it. Like, I don't know, it's really, really cool.
Aggressive for four lugs.
Exactly, yeah. It's hard to find aggressive four-lug wheels. He said he is going to lower the rear. Obviously, you see, he just had a JCI. A couple days ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's gonna lower the rear and raise the front slightly. He scrapes a little bit out here. These Okinawa roads are not forgiving to low cars. Oh man, is that a Rocketbunny blinker there?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure about. That's awesome.
Couldn't keep that stock.
Yeah. No, that looks good. Got the roll call.
Grocery list.
The grocery list. And bread, and salmon, oil. Like I saw like the one that had like eggs, milk, and stuff on it. That's pretty funny. That's great. Oh man. So let's just walk around this thing. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know that I've had 5 fastback 240SXs throughout my life in the States. I'm a huge fan of the 180s. It just looks so good. He's got some blitz coilovers. I guess I could just refer to the roll call there.
Yeah.
Got the aftermarket seat. I see some gauges. What kind of gauge are those?
One's water, one's turbo.
Water temp, because you can't trust these old Nissan water temps. And got the boost gauge, obviously important. I like the Rocketbunny like duckbill spoiler. I think it looks really good, especially on this car.
My friends were telling me to get a wing, but I love it.
No, don't know. Yeah.
It came out good.
Oh yeah, I think, and it fits the rear end really, really nice as well.
Yeah.
I don't think this is actually the first Rocketbunny 180 I've ever seen in real life.
Really?
Yeah. There's not a whole lot of really awesome 180s out here. There's a couple of them, but not as many as I'd like to be.
Yeah.
Maybe you get a little roof spoiler, might look nice. They look good. I had one on my fastback.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. The GP Sports one had like the lip wing and stuff. Donut Media would be happy and proud with his pop-up headlights.
I did it for them.
Did you? So this is a DET, right? Okay. Turbo, yeah, you said? Oh, yeah, it's got a boost gauge, yeah. So I'm assuming you're going to be throwing a front mount on eventually?
Yeah, so I'm going to do a front mount. I just got a fucking, oh, sorry, I can't.
You're good.
I got a 228 turbo.
Okay.
550 injectors.
So 228, that's from the, because this is a T25, right? So
Yes.
like T28 are like S15s? Or are you going to actually, is it like a
They're for like
aftermarket?
S15s, but they're also Garrett, so.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. They're ball bearing, which will make it spin a little bit easier.
Oh, yeah. And I like the intake here for the side mount intercooler.
Yeah, you know, that was really weird. It's the first time I've ever seen that.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot on Japanese cars. They tend to do that to give every inch of advantage they can. Guy's dog. He's freaking out. Oh my god. So it's like 7:01 a.m. and there are people everywhere. I was like, hey Garrett, come on down. We'll do it early in the morning. Nobody will be here. Look at this freaking parking lot behind me. There is cars everywhere. I can't believe it. It's crazy. So I'm pretty excited. What exhaust does it have?
Stock. Realistically?
Yeah.
It is actually stock because I had to put the stock parts on. I haven't switched them out yet.
Okay, but it's got it for a muffler though, at least, right? Yeah. So yeah. So are you gonna throw a downpipe on there, or front pipe, or?
Actually, I do have a downpipe for it.
Mm-hmm.
It's going from 2.5 inches to 3 inches.
Oh, nice.
But I got to get the flange cut and then re-weld it back
Jesus.
together.
Okay.
I took it off a Subi.
Oh wow. Well, it's gonna fit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, just cut it, cut it, make it work. And then I'm assuming test pipe's gonna go on there, and then what exhaust is this cat back here? Do you even know? It just was on the car.
Too rusted to have a label.
Yeah. So some sort of aftermarket exhaust. Some of these things don't have stamps on it to where you can see without taking the exhaust off. But I heard him pulling in, and I was like, when he's coming around the corner. When he's coming around the corner up here, I was like, oh, there it is here. So it sounds pretty good. I'm pretty excited. I've never driven a JDM 180Sx. I've had my 240 that had the SR20 in it, and I've driven the S14s and S15s, but not the 180Sx. So I'm pretty excited about this. I thought Lance was going to be my first, but it turned out Garrett's car is going to be the first. So haha, suck it, Lance. Like, oh man, that's so clean. Well, want to go for a ride?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do it. So, starting up the 180Sx. Yes. Oh, this is so. Oh, I forgot it's got the digital like thermostat and stuff.
Yes, sir.
This is such a throwback because it feels just like my car. Like my old one looks just like it's obviously this left-hand drive.
So did you have a 180 or 240?
Oh, 180. Feel it rubbing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wide turns.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Is it a stock clutch?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't want something that some drift kid literally beat the piss out of.
Yeah, for sure. I understand that. Does it have a diff in the rear? Does it have a diff?
Yes.
It feels like it might, yeah. I was afraid when I saw the seat that I wasn't gonna fit because this seat is not meant for Americans. It's still pretty tight and snug, but it's not bad. I definitely fit in here way better than I thought I would.
Yeah. I thought the same thing every day. It keeps me going.
Good thing about it is it feels so nice outside. Does your AC work?
Oh yeah.
Okay, nice. So mine doesn't. But you guys probably hear that every freaking video. But I'm really excited to be back in a 180Sx or RPS 13. I really wanted one when I got here. Obviously, I couldn't pass up owning the GTR, but oh man, this brings back some nice memories. And I haven't even done anything yet. I'm just driving regular. All right, here we go. Make sure nobody's running red lights.
You good?
Oh, we get a little tunnel action here.
Go for it.
That thing crazy. Oh man. Shit. Figure out it's real drive, not all wheel.
Hey man, you got it. Counter steer. That's what I'm talking about.
Man, that's pretty peppy. That's gotta, like, I can't, it's been so long since I drove my SR. That feels pretty nice. Like, it's not, nobody even trying, like.
Yeah, I thought the same thing. Pretty peppy for a stock turbo.
Yeah, that's, are we sure it's stock? I mean, it's, I don't remember I can't remember my SR breaking loose. I did hit that water spot, but. I used to bark him in second into third, but this seems a little, yeah. It's pretty nice feeling. It's on stock boost. I didn't look at the boost gauge. Let's see. Go down here down the seawall and come back the other way.
Oh yeah, man.
How cool is it driving like 180Sx through the streets of Japan?
Honestly,
like, this looks awesome.
Yeah.
This
Honestly,
road.
it's an amazing feeling because I get looks from all the locals.
Oh yeah, they love this car, huh?
Yeah, they take pictures of it when I pull up at red lights.
Oh, that's cool.
Sometimes they take pictures of me spinning out, you know. Honestly, though, it is a blast.
Yeah, it's just, I thought it was really cool. Like, my buddy, he had bought an Evo 5, and we had like customs night, and it was like us and like a R34 and some Sylvias and some other things, Supras that we ran into, and he was like, "This is the coolest thing ever," driving these JDM Legends through Japan, like pretty sick.
They've had their fair share.
Feel that diff though.
Yeah.
Click. So we're gonna give it one more good pull, and then we'll take the car back. I really wish we could go like somewhere with like some turns.
Man,
I wish we had a track or something out here. Oh, bird, watch out, man.
nope, it's done.
Jesus. A rainbow?
Yes, sir.
But man, it feels like the steering is tight, the brakes feel good. Like the fact that this car is 25 years old. How old is it? What year is it?
It's a 95.
So yeah, so 26 years old now is crazy because it doesn't feel like a 26-year-old car. Like it still feels solid, and it doesn't feel like beat on or anything like that. This car is what did you pay for it if you don't mind?
I paid 16.
That's not bad. So I mean, it's crazy to think that 180Sx you're going for 16,000 now. That's what I paid for my car. But yeah, I mean it's way better. Like you get like a GC8 for 16,000. That's just not as much fun. Like
No.
didn't have the. And I'm a big SR20 fan. They sound good. They make some good power, and they're pretty quick in their factory form. Like it's not no slouch. So I think that's a pretty good deal, man. I like how the exhaust is, obviously you want it louder, but it's, but it still sounds good though. Nice tone to it. You can definitely tell it's aftermarket.
Yeah.
Has a SR20 sound really good.
I don't even drive with the radio on.
Woohoo! Oh, that's awesome. It's a blast to drive, I'll tell you that, man. Garrett, you picked a good candidate to bring out here, and it was smart going from mainland. To Okinawa just to save the car. The condition of the car is always better in mainland, because less rust and stuff. So
Yeah.
the car out on the outside and inside is super clean. So yeah, appreciate you letting me do this video, man.
Yeah, of course, man.
Like I said, it's really hard work driving these awesome cars for you guys. So that was a lot of fun. I'd really give a huge shout out to Garrett for hooking up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think about the car. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.